Hi folks, welcome you once again to another lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you something simple and straightforward. Um, in our work, sometimes it's necessary that we create outlines for the object that we use. For example, if I have this shape over here, maybe you like to lay emphasis on this shape, so you like to put an outline around the shape. But how do you do that? Let me show you something like this one. We have this ball over here, but as you are teaching the kid a circle, you like to create a shape, an outline around the football, just to draw the attention of the student that you are talking about a circle. We have squares over here. How were these things made? That's what I want to show you today. So I have inserted this shape. This is a square. Then I come to insert. I come to shapes. Then I set a square. I draw it over it like this. Now you realize that it has been filled with a color. It has covered the original shape that I have. It has gone behind it. I give it an outline shape. So let's say I'll take this color that's green accent. It is very light. We can see it much clearly. So I increase the weight a bit to let's say 3 or 4 points. Now I don't need this fill color, so I come to shape fill, then no fill. Good. Now I realize that we have the original object showing up here. So what do we do now? We just readjust so that it fits perfectly. Good. If you think the weight is too small for you, you can still come to format, then you increase the weight a bit. You see, it's very simple to do. And sometimes you like to use what you call the tracing method, where you create short dashes for the learner to trace around it. You don't want it to be a straight line like this. You can still do that. You still click on the shape, the outline shape. Then we come to shape outline. Then we have dashes over there. There are several dashes that you can select. Let me push this thing over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So you come to shape outline, the weight, dashes. Then you see the different dashes that we have. So any of them that you prefer, you can choose. There are more lines that you can also select. Later you can explore that. So where you want to create an outline around the shape, you can do that, and where you want to create short dashes so it to look something like tracing, where the student or the kid has to trace, you can also use that method that I've just shown you. So that's all I just wanted to introduce to you, because as we move on, those become very necessary. Now we are introducing the kid to shapes. It will get to a point where we wouldn't show the kid the real object. We maybe take off the object and then we ask the kid to trace the path so that he can get the shape he or she wants. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.